Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Malaysia. In this video we're going to be doing a collab with Young Their Hair. There we go. Yeah, I think it's pronounced Young Their. The hair looks like this is actually probably all I'll need because I already have a pack open right here and I already have some braids done in my head. So today we're gonna be doing these pop smoke braids, and I already have a few done in the back, and so you can't tell, so let me just now you can tell. I took the time and I parted my hair and sectioned it and made sure everything was to my liking, and so I have 8 sections and I already did 4, which were the back 4, and I'm just gonna finish it up. There is a terrible storm outside, like I don't know. I didn't think it was gonna rain today, like I don't remember seeing that on the forecast, but it's crazy because my neighbor has this big tree that like stretches over from her yard to mine, and it's right by my window, so like it's shaking, and I'm hoping it doesn't like crash in here, but you know. Anyway, I'm sectioning off my hair. These are gonna be like beat-in cornrows pretty much, so that's what I'm doing, just sectioning it off and getting thicker with each section. Might even want to make this one a bit thicker. Just gonna take this section out. Put some leave-in conditioner on my ends, because those are a bit dry. Yeah. But anyway, I'm just slathering some gel on here. And I'm also gonna put my edge booster, edge control, some of that on top. I'm definitely gonna have to get some more of this stuff. But if I run out of this, I'm just gonna go get my mom's edge control. Deal with the consequences. I'm gonna start by taking out 3 pieces, which are gonna be my starting braiding pieces. Just like that. And start braiding. And I think I'm gonna add in this piece now. And just keep braiding. And now I'm gonna add in this one. take this one. Okay, y'all, so I am finally done. Oh my goodness. Well, let me not even say that. This only took me probably about 2 to 3 hours. I think it's really cute, but what I'm gonna do now is put some more gel on like my roots that are sticking up, put some mousse on it, tie it up, and dip my ends. And then I will come back and show you guys the end result. Okay? Okay. Alright. Okay, y'all, so I am back and I put on this do-rag when I put on the gel and mousse on my like scalp area, and I wanted to lay it down, and I also did my edges, but I dipped the ends, and so this is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And y'all, this is cute. But let me take off this do-rag so we can see what it looks like. Oh, I had that on tight. But oh, it's kind of made like a little crease. Let me undo the crease. But this is what it's looking like. I think this is so cute. Let me know if y'all like this, cause I was really impressed when I came across this TikTok. I was like, people have been really rocking these braids to me, and yeah, I just had to try it. So yeah, these will not take you long at all. I have 8 braids in my head. It probably took me like 2.5 hours. And that's just because I didn't even have my little separations either. And I had to film. So like, yeah, this is cute. This reminds me of my jumbo knotless box braids, and so I have to try this in blonde too. So I might recreate the look, be looking out for that. And that's just that. Like, I'm loving the jumbo braids for me because I really just don't have 8 hours in a day to braid, and like I don't want to, my hands cramp up. So yeah, know what you guys think down below. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell notification to be notified when I post a new video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!